I'm sure we all have our fair share of criticisms when it comes to modern cars, whether it be the way they drive, the way they look, the way they sound, or perhaps the over-reliance on technology as a selling point. In my opinion, a big one is the overly intrusive safety features, many of which that actually make driving less safe. Now, whilst these are perfectly valid points for why modern cars are not as good as they could be, I still believe there's a far bigger issue at hand here that not many people are talking about. Let me explain. Now, pretty much every single consumer-based industry has seen a massive loss in quality, whether it be our clothing, our food, and obviously our cars. Now, when it comes to our clothing, it's now typically made out of synthetic fibers like polyester, which are made from plastic. Now, this means when you wear it, your body takes in a lot of microplastics, which is a disaster for your hormonal health. And when you wash polyester clothing or any synthetic fiber for that matter, it releases microplastics into the environment, which is not good. When it comes to our food, it has a bunch of seed oils, it has a bunch of artificial flavorings, artificial colorings, and the animals that we eat are also fed terrible diets, and they're also kept in terrible living conditions. And our cars are less reliable, less cool, less pretty, less beautiful, less well built. And of course, this is a massive shame because it never used to be this way. Our clothing used to be made predominantly from natural fibers like cotton and sheep's wool. Our food came from animals that were treated with respect. They had proper diets, proper sun exposure, lots of room to roam around on, massive fields. It was just a brilliant life to live. And of course, not to mention, our vegetables weren't full and infected with pesticides and fertilizers, which are extremely toxic to human beings and wildlife as well. And the same goes for our cars. Our cars are better built, more reliable, easier to repair. Everything was just made far better back then. But why is that? It's actually quite worrying. It's our fault. The reason why I say it's our fault and not the tight-fisted accountant wanting to save a few quid here and there on cheaper interior materials and smaller engines, it's because we're the ones who keep buying inferior products. We're the ones who tell businesses what we want. If you keep buying a new car every 3 years, of course that's going to tell the manufacturer that no one keeps cars for longer than 3 years, because they don't. Most people just buy a car, lease it for a year to 3 years, and that's that. It goes on to the next customer. And dealerships, car brands, do not earn money on used car sales unless it's an approved used car at their dealerships. So why would they care if the 5th customer has a good driving experience in their cars? They're earning no money from it, so why do they care? The only way to solve this problem is to keep your car for as long as possible, because that will tell car manufacturers people want reliable, dependable cars. But the issue is, in England, there's a massive culture of the registration plate. That sounds a bit weird if you're not from here, but in England, we have this system for our registration plates that the 1st of March and the 1st of September, we get new registration plates. In March, it will say the exact year of registration. So this year, it will say 26. Next year, it will say 27, 28, 29, 30. You get the idea. But in September, it adds 50 to the year of registration. Don't know why, but it just does. So that gives 2 different reasons per year to replace your car. And it is not rare, it is extremely common for someone to have a perfectly fine BMW 3 Series and replace it for the same car just to get the newest registration plate. It is crazy, and it's a massive problem, and that's why we're in the mess we're in. It's the customer, not the manufacturer. We are the problem here, or at least the people who are buying new cars are the problem. So if you have someone in your life or yourself who keeps buying new cars every 1 to 3 years on a finance deal, tell them to just stop it, keep their car for a little bit longer, and I assure you, in the long run, you'll be happier. You'll save some money. Cars, the newest cars will get better, better built. There's more of an incentive for them to be better built because they're being used more by their customers. And overall, it will help everyone. Seriously, stop buying new cars. Your current car is perfectly fine. If you don't need to replace it, it's perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.